Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you like how I do my eyeliner, because how I do my eyeliner and how you want to do your eyeliner or how you do your eyeliner, see what I'm saying, is different. So it might not be perfect eyeliner, but like don't leave, still a good video most likely, and I think the time is over here. It's probably a short video, so yeah. So let's get started. So first, pick out your eyeliner brush that you like. So I have two right here, one that I like and one that I don't like. And let's see. One brush is very short and not very flexible. Let me get the other brush out. So the other brush, the Wet n Wild H2O proof. Yeah. This one is the old brush. They changed the formula and they changed the brush, which annoys me. So I like this brush and not this brush. Yeah, so this one is not flexible. This one is very flexible. So that's why I like one brush, because very flexible, bleh, a very flexible brush in my book is better for what I do and how I do my eyeliner. So that's one thing. Also, there's this brush, which I used in my last video. It's a flat brush. I don't think you can actually see this. I'm very annoyed. But yeah. So that one, I mean, it works, I guess. But like, so I'm taking my nice little flimsy brush, very thin flimsy brush. So I'm just gonna start from like the middle and take it out. And it's like right there. Then connect both sides. And look, make sure it's pretty even. So yeah, pretty even. Then do the same thing on the other eye. Actually, I don't do the same thing. I start from the first, like, the very start of my eye and then go over. Which, yeah. It's weird that I do two things on two different eyes. Yeah. And then this line, I'm pretty sure, is most of the time, it's most of the time thinner, because this eyelid and this eyelid are different. So, gotta work with that. Make sure you get into the lashes, get every nook and cranny. Like right there, yeah. So most of the time, my eyeliner is like, just like all off. But sometimes I can actually do it nicely, which is weird because I'm doing a eyeliner video. So yeah, strange. Either way. So I like to take it into my waterline, which be careful, depending on which eyeliner you use, it's going to sting. This one does not, which is why I also like this one. So into your waterline and pull up, and there's barely a line there. The line goes out to like here. Yeah, and you can barely see it. So then just pull it back down. And bam, you got mascara on too now. So that's the eyeliner. And then this eye might be different because I tilt my head like that. Figured that out, so let's hope it turns out well. If not, this is probably the end of the video, so yeah. So stab yourself in the eye, pick it in your waterline, and just drag it out. What did I drop? Okay. So drag it out from the waterline. It goes like out. It almost goes out to my eyebrow. So yeah. And hold your breath and pull it back in. And get more on there. I've used almost all of my eyeliner in here, which is why I got the new one, and I don't like the brush. I don't know why everyone is doing that brush now, but it annoys me. And I done messed up. Okay. So so this eyeliner is like, it is off, but it looks like extra off because of the lights. So yeah, doesn't look too bad, but like it's not the same as this one, which annoys me because every time I do it. So go back, and most of the time I try not to fix it, but like I have time now. If it's in the morning, I won't fix my eyeliner and I'll go out like this because like no one's getting that close to me, and if they are, they need to back up. So yeah. So go up and bang. That should be good. Yeah. So now the important step, especially with a double wing eyeliner, is take, this is the first concealer I found, so whatever concealer, doesn't really matter which one, and put it right up under that line. Actually, yeah. I mean, this eyeliner is good, so I won't do it on that eye, but I'll do it on this one, just as a demonstration. And take a flat brush or your concealer brush, whatever you want to use. This is what I've had first. And just start patting it out. And then add more concealer as you need. So, yeah. So, yeah. And then I'll probably, yeah, I might put it under here just so it's like even. Yeah. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Alrighty. Ooh. Alrighty, so this is my teaching experience. Not really a good look. I mean, my eyeliner is off. It's not off if you go like that. So, if you have time and you want to sit there and mess with it, go back in and fix it, kind of, I guess. Yeah. So, it did a little bit. But, as I said, normally I don't go back in and fix my eyeliner. I'll do concealer at the bottom, maybe. But I probably don't have time to do that, so I don't. So there's that, and I'll probably redo this video again and hope that my eyeliner looks a lot better. So yeah, I hope this was at least informational for you guys, and in the comments below, tell me what you want to see, what you would like to see more of, and yeah. And I also do like a bunch of different videos. Like, I'm gonna get into nail videos because I have a lot of nail stuff. I do vlog videos of Korea, and what else do I do? I mean, I do makeup, and I want to get into cooking videos because like I like cooking. So yeah. So I think that's about it. Bye. So really quick, I wanted to show you how like waterproof this eyeliner is. and like smudge proof. That's a lot of wet wipe, and it's not going anywhere. So another reason why I like Wet n Wild's waterproof eyeliner. Basically didn't move. So yeah, that's end of the video. So please like and subscribe and comment and share. Bye again.